Markets are global in interest but fragmented in access. Pyth is building the unified price layer beneath them all. With Blue Ocean, Pyth delivers regulated overnight U.S. equity prices directly on-chain, enabling 24/7 RWA markets without proxies or synthetic pricing. Instead of pulling prices from secondary aggregators, Pyth sources data directly from institutional providers. SEDA adds programmable logic to Pyth's oracle. It understands market structure, enforces session awareness, manages state, and converts futures to spot seamlessly. HIP-3 unlocked permissionless market creation. Pyth ensures every asset can be priced continuously and fairly across fragmented sessions.
Pyth Pro delivers institutional-grade feeds with transparent contributor scoring, ensuring real-time accuracy for professional markets.
Pyth is the unified price layer beneath every market. Real-time, primary source, programmable, 24/7, across every asset class and chain. Real-world assets become perpetual, continuous, tradable around the clock. Pyth sources pricing directly from market makers, exchanges, and proprietary desks. Upstream data, not repackaged feeds. Pyth didn't just build another oracle, it rebuilt the price layer itself. When the price layer stabilizes, the entire market stabilizes. A single continuous market, no closing bell, no blind spots. Pyth is building the price layer of everything.